Hello everybody and welcome to this Flutter video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn about the clippers. So how we can use the clippers, let's jump to the code and implement that. As you can see on the screen that I prepare a simple project that has nothing inside except the app bar, and also it has material design. In the home it has scaffold. The scaffold has a background, blue-gray, and it has an app bar and a text inside at the center of app bar. In the body we have a container. Let's change the container to the center widget. Inside the center widget we can bring an image. Inside the center widget we are going to use clippers by clipping an image. So let's bring an image from assets. I already brought my image flowers inside the images folder, and I already uncomment the assets and give the name of my image. So let's go in the main. In here, how we can use the image from assets, how we can use the image, let's do it. Let's bring the image to the center widget by typing child. Inside the child we can bring the image dot assets and give the URL of the image we have. I give the images folder slash the name of the image dot the extension png, and let's save it. I forgot to put the S. Let's save it again, and now you can see that we have an image at the center of our scaffold. So how we can clip it, I can wrap this image widget with another widget called clip oval. So let's wrap it. I'm gonna cut this and type clip oval. Inside its child I can paste it again, and let's save it. And now you can see that we have a circular image at the center of our screen. So also we can give it a height and a width to bring changes, like I can give it a height of 20 or 200 and a width of 300, and let's save it. Now you can see that we have a different shape. If you want to make it circular, then you can make it 200 by 200, and now we have our circular image. There is another widget by the name of clip or rect. So let's change this widget to that by typing clip or rect, and let's save it. Now you can see the changes. There is a property with clip or rect called border radius. Border radius dot, for example, circular. I can give it a circular of 20, and let's save it. And now you can see that we change our picture. So guys, there is a package, clipper package also on the Flutter packages that we can use it. This is your assignment, using the Flutter custom clippers from pub.dev. So you can pause the video now and use this package. I hope you did your assignment, and now let's bring this custom clipper package to our application and use it. As you can see, there are many shapes that you can use inside your app by using this clipper custom package. So there is the example and also the installation method. So how we can use, we go to the installing and we copy this to our dependency. Let's copy that and let's go inside our pubspec.yaml file. Inside the dependency, in here I can paste it. So let's click the pubget to download this package. So now what else in installation? We have to import the package inside our project. Control C, and I'm gonna paste it here. And now I can use this custom clipper in my on my app. I'm gonna remove all the body. Inside the body I'm gonna use stack, and inside its children we can use the clip path. Let's go to the example in here. Let's use this one, clippers. We have clippers 1. So now by typing the clip path, and inside the clip path we have clipper. we are using the web clipper one, and let's close the brackets. We have to use a container as a child of clipper. Inside our container we can give it a color, theme color, theme dot of context dot primary color, and we can give it a height of 80. And now let's save it. Now you can see that we have a curve shape at the top of our body. So let's change the app bar shadow evolution to 0 by going to the app bar. In here, evolution is equal to 0, and let's save it. Now you can see the evolution shadow is 0. There is no any other shadow. You can change even the blue-gray to the white, or comment it simply and save it. You can see the white screen. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. If you like the video, you can thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video.